Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable low audio latency for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list. Now scroll down, and at the right bottom we have settings, tap at this also, and at the second line we have low audio latency. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at this slider near to it if the slider have empty background. But I don't recommend it to use this feature all the time, because you may have connection instability with low audio latency. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!